آج کی ہماری جو ویڈیو ہے بہت انٹرسٹنگ ہونے جا رہی ہے، جس میں رچ بیبی اور پور بیبی کا جو ہے کمپٹیشن ہوگا. پلیز چلے دیکھتے ہیں. کمپٹیشن بہت انٹرسٹنگ ہونے والا ہے، تو میرے چینل کو سبسکرائب ضرور کریں.
Newspaper. Hi, Mama. Val tasks her guard to pick out a baby. And he picks... poor. It'll do. This baby lucked out. What a nice, loving, but poor family. They are left with the rich baby. Oh dear. Things are about to get interesting. Hungry look? What a family. Enjoying a nice summer day by their personal pool. Their waiter brings a cola. But Mom says it's far too small. Amina will be right back. Man. Bigger. But still not big enough. You're gonna drive this poor girl crazy, Mom. Holy cow! Look at the size of that thing. Perfect. Layla's in disbelief. Mine! Losing balance! Carrie gets a head-to-toe shower in sticky cola. Jerry, cool it! She's one of ours! Instead, Jerry gets Amina for bringing too big of a soda? What outfit is... Oh wait, poor Layla doesn't have a home! And look! Rich girl Carrie is cruising by. Instead of $1, she gives Layla a free shower. How rude! That was her only outfit, and you've ruined it. She doesn't even have a place to dry off. Oh, poor angel. We'll adopt you. Come with us. Oh my! Look at this house. Let's get you out of those clothes, yes? Pick anything you'd like. Yes, of course they're all designer. We have a personal stylist too, if you need some help. She picked the yellow outfit. Throw it on, girl. Wow! What a transformation! Now you look the part. Daughter of the world's richest parents. You're going to fit in nicely, says Mom. Now Mom will go grab you some lunch. BRB. Ah, the sweet life. Carrie? The same Carrie that splashed Layla? That same Carrie is now Layla's sister! The plot thickens. Please, ma'am, have a seat. No, you can't have what those boys do. Your $1,000 dish has been prepared already. Escargot. It's a rare delicacy. What's so wrong about a burger? Phew. Oh, good luck, whales. Even the table next door makes fun of our girl. Snails for lunch? Miss Donovan cracks into her fave buck while the kids have lunch. And when Layla tries to pick up a shell, she flings it straight into Miss D. Quiet reading time has been disrupted. And that could have been worse. Much worse. She'll get to the bottom of this. Layla, what do you have to say for yourself? Oopsie? Misty? Cool it. Okay, sorry. Please, Layla, let me help you. Grab the shells and use this guy to get the goods. Not bad, right? Look! On second thought, it is snail! Oh man, this is quite the eventful class. Somebody give our Layla water? Thank you so much for watching, everybody. Alright, here are the bloopers! Be sure to sub and hit that bell for more crazy episodes. We'll see you next time! Signed, The Crew.